Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix hololive dreams game error, and the error is failed to retrieve data, sorry please try again later. So if you're getting this error in hololive dreams game on PC, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to use mobile data. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then try and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow the fix 2. Fix 2 is to connect to VPN, but here is a trick. Follow the instruction very carefully. First of all, log into the game without a VPN. Otherwise, it won't let you in. After logging in, connect to VPN. You can use any VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Cloudflare VPN, Windscribe VPN, etc. In my case, I used the Netherlands server on Windscribe, and as per another users, managed to start download with Windscribe VPN connected to UK London location. Then click on tab to start. It will download the remaining 4 GB. Now after downloading the remaining files, you have to disconnect from the VPN. So simply disconnect from the VPN and then you can connect to mobile data or Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 3. Disconnect from VPN and use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Now if you're still connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. And if you're trying using Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then try and check. Fix 4 is to change DNS servers. So in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Then click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Then tick mark the use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then close it and then try again and check. Fix 5 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now if your problem is not solved yet, then simply uninstall the hololive dreams game from your PC and then reinstall the game and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then here are some of the fixes that I have taken from the Steam community users. You can try this and check. First is to connect to mobile data hotspot and after creating account, switch back to your Wi-Fi and then check. Second user solution, they write, I have a solution. Once you are logged in and the download pop-up appears, tap download, then disconnect your phone data and continue using Wi-Fi. This method works for downloading data, but afterward you will need to reconnect your phone data because it won't connect to the server somehow, even though it literally downloading data using Wi-Fi. Yes, I am using LAN for home internet and USB tethering for phone data, using it simultaneously. Third user says download successfully finished without VPN, but it doesn't let me play without VPN. Game constantly shows the same full screen error unless I am connected to VPN. Fourth user, for Steam, my fix is in the Windows search type CMD, then right click and select run as administrator, then type ipconfig //DNS and hit enter. Wait until it's done, then restart the game. This only works for only 30 to 60 minutes. If things happen again, repeat the step above. As long as I can get my dailies done, I think enough for now since game just released and still have few contents. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Then hit type ipconfig /+DNS. Then hit enter. You can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now close it and then restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, then launch the game and check. Now as per the fifth user, the thing is when you press the retry button, when you get this error message and when you click on retry button, the game actually loads for half a second before the message appears again. So if you keep pressing the retry button, so when you get the error, click on retry, and when you retry again, if you get the error, then again click on retry. So if you keep pressing the retry button, eventually it will load. The real problem is that you will have to do this entire time, not only in the login screen. I managed to play like this, but yeah, it sucks. So you have to keep spamming the retry button every and each time to fix the problem. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix hololive dreams error, fail to retrieve data on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.